Hi, welcome to Live in a Short Bus. My name is Hartley. Welcome to my bus. Come on in if you'd like to check it out. Got this back in September and built it all out myself. My parents have a cottage up in Michigan, and the walls have this knotty pine look, so I really wanted to capture that. So I put that in the roof. I have my bed here, not my bed, just a couch. I sleep actually on a hammock that hangs from this back corner to the front corner. The hammock sits in here. This is just a nice cozy couch with storage underneath, and behind you can access storage there. This is not the actual countertop of the kitchen. This will ultimately be like a nice big thick slab of wood or tile or something. But I wanted a nice long big countertop. This is basically the bathroom area that this lifts up, and it'll be hinged. It's not hinged yet, but I have my toilet there, just a simple $99 toilet from Amazon. And for a shower, I got this little dog bath that will become my shower. I found some PVC fittings which I can connect a garden hose to this to drain the water out, and I would simply run water either from here or from a shower head from my instant hot water, which is down here, propane powered instant hot water. Now I only have 6 gallons of fresh, 6 gallons of gray, so I end up getting a 30-gallon water tank back here, so it holds a lot of water. I have the infamous Kimberly wood burning stove, which is just awesome. I don't know if you've ever heard of those, but it's like it's very expensive. I worked for my friend for trade for this for only 800 bucks. Took me a few weeks to work that off, and this has been worth
That's a deal for one of those.
Oh, completely, yes. I'm really stoked I got that. That just keeps this place toasty warm. I insulated the sides and the ceiling. The windows are not insulated, but I got a U.S. military wool blanket that I cut up, put grommets in it, kind of made a light blackout and an insulating piece for the windows. I also have some 1/4-inch foam insulation, which I'll stick in the windows at night if I really want to keep toasty warm as well. Everything has like a dual purpose. This area back here has become kind of storage, but I can actually span something here to put a shelf up here. I had a rope for it with a net. I can also span something up here for a shelf as well. You got my little moon light. I have LED lights, which are not hooked up yet, but there's LED lighting under here and above here, which just dances and spins all around.
Yeah.
But yeah, built it all out myself, and it's a work in progress. And if anybody has any suggestions or suggestions for a name, I still have not come up with a name yet. Hopefully that will just kind of appear as time goes on.
Yeah, I've always figured buses and cats will let you know their name eventually.
Exactly. Yeah. So it's not in a hurry. I'd wonder if the name I think will just happen. So. So yeah, but yeah, I've been loving this. I lived in this for about 2 months up in Northern California in the redwoods, and that was just beautiful. Went through the snow and heavy rains, and it's watertight and keeps me nice and warm.
Nice. Well, thank you.
Well, yeah, thank you very much for coming in.
Yep. And you said you had a YouTube channel?
Oh yeah, my YouTube channel is Live in a Short Bus on YouTube.
Oh, well, look that up.
All right,
thanks.
You.
Well, I hope you enjoyed that video of that great schoolie, and in the coming weeks there'll be more, so please, I will see you next Saturday for a tour of another schoolie. Steampunk Steve saying, see you on the road.